Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Charles Schwab Intelligent Income, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Charles Schwab Intelligent Income, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.schwab.com. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for entering your credentials. In the first field, type in your user ID. Next, in the second field, enter your password. Ensure that your user ID and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, look for the login button on the page. Click the login button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your device for a verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided field and proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the Intelligent Income section from your account dashboard. Here you can manage your settings and review your income portfolios. If you encounter any issues while logging in, there is a Forgot User ID/Password link available. Click that link to initiate the recovery process. Follow on-screen instructions to reset your credentials if necessary. Now you're successfully logged into Charles Schwab Intelligent Income, ready to manage your financial portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.